Adjusting sprinkler heads is an essential task to ensure proper irrigation and water distribution in your lawn or garden. In this video, we are going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to adjust sprinkler heads. The first step, identify the type of sprinkler head. There are various types of sprinkler heads, including stationary, rotary, and pop-up heads. Identify the type of sprinkler heads you have in your system, as the adjustment methods may vary. Second step, turn off the water supply. Before making any adjustments, turn off the water supply to the irrigation system. This will prevent water from spraying while you work on the sprinkler heads. The third step, locate adjustment controls. Examine the sprinkler head to locate adjustment controls. Common adjustments include the spray pattern, distance, and the angle of rotation for rotary heads. Step number 4, adjusting the spray pattern. For stationary and pop-up heads with adjustable patterns, look for a screw or a mechanism on top of the nozzle. Turn the screw or adjust the mechanism to change the spray pattern. Some heads may have a key or a specialized tool for this purpose. Step number 5, adjusting the distance. To adjust the distance the water is thrown, find the screw or setting near the nozzle labeled distance or radius. Turn the screw clockwise to decrease the distance and counterclockwise to increase it. Step number 6, adjusting the arc or rotation for rotary heads. If you have rotary sprinkler heads, there will be an adjustment screw or a set of controls for adjusting the arc or rotation. Use a screwdriver or the provided key to turn the adjustment screw. Some models may have an adjustable ring that you can turn. Step number 7, check for obstructions. Inspect the area around each sprinkler head. Make sure there are no obstacles like tall grass, debris, or other objects that could obstruct the water spray. Trim any overgrown vegetation. Step number 8, clean the nozzle. Over time, sediment and debris can accumulate in the nozzle, affecting the water distribution. Use a small tool or a nozzle cleaning tool to remove any clogs and ensure proper water flow. Step number 9, test the system. Turn the water supply back on and test each sprinkler head. Observe the spray pattern, distance, and rotation to ensure they match your lawn's layout, to make further adjustments if necessary. And the final step, monitor and fine-tune. Regularly monitor your sprinkler system and make adjustments as needed. Factors such as seasonal changes, plant growth, and landscape modifications may require periodic fine-tuning. By following these steps, you can effectively adjust your sprinkler heads to achieve optimal water coverage for your lawn or garden. Keep in mind that specific adjustments may vary depending on the brand and model of your sprinkler head, so refer to the manufacturer's instructions for more detailed information. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.